Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can import everything from another browser to Arc on Windows. So if you have installed Arc and you started using it and you want to import bookmarks and history and passwords, then you can go to the top left corner and click on the Arc logo over here. And then we have the option import from another browser. If you click on it, then you can choose from which browser you want to import your data. So in my case, I'm gonna choose Chrome and then click next. Now over here you can either create a new profile in Arc in order to store everything just in that profile, or you can choose my existing Arc profile in order to replace everything that you have on your current profile and import to that one instead. You can also replace existing cookies with imported cookies, so you can tick this box to do that. However, I'm not gonna select this option, and I'm gonna press import button in order to finalize. And there we go. Now we have bookmarks, and let's say I want to select all in order to get all of them. So all of these bookmarks will be imported to Arc, and let's press finish. And there we go. Now we have a folder imported from Chrome, and if we click on it, then we will see the bookmarks bar, and over here we have the imported bookmark. Now of course on Arc we don't really have those default bookmarks that you would have, for instance, in Chrome or Firefox or any other browser. Instead, everything works pretty much as a tab. Of course, these tabs vary depending on the position, but these over here can be treated the same as bookmarks. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!